In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video into an ActiveCampaign email. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Embedding a video in your email can significantly enhance your marketing efforts, making your messages more engaging and allowing you to connect with your audience on a deeper level. So let's dive right in. First, before you get started, it's important to understand that you can't directly embed a video file like you would on a website. Email clients generally don't support embedded videos for security reasons. Instead, what we're going to do is create a video thumbnail that clickable links to the video hosted on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. The first step is to ensure your video is uploaded to one of those platforms. You can choose any platform you prefer, but for this example, let's say you're using YouTube. Go ahead and upload your video there and make sure it's set to either public or unlisted so your recipients can access it. Once your video is uploaded, you're going to need a thumbnail image. This is an image that represents your video, usually a still from the video itself or a custom image that says play on it. You can create a thumbnail using free online tools like Canva or edit a screenshot directly from your video. Make sure to save this image to your computer where you can easily find it later. Now that you have your thumbnail, let's move into ActiveCampaign and begin crafting your email. Log into your ActiveCampaign account and navigate to the Campaigns section. Click on Create a Campaign and select the type of campaign you want to send. It could be a regular email campaign or something like an automation. Choose your desired option and continue setting it up. Once you're in the email editor, you'll want to use an image block to upload your thumbnail. Drag the image block into your email layout and upload the thumbnail image you just created. Now you have a visual representation of your video. Next, you need to link this thumbnail to your video. Click on the uploaded image in your email editor and look for the option to add a link. Paste the URL of your video from YouTube or whichever platform you're using. Make sure to select the option to open the link in a new tab. This ensures that when your recipients click on the thumbnail, they're taken directly to the video in a new browser window. It's also a good idea to add a short text description below the image to entice your readers to click. Explain a bit about the video and what they'll gain from watching it. Keep it engaging but concise. Remember, you want to capture their interest. Once you finish customizing the rest of your email, including subject lines and any additional copy, it's always wise to send a test email to yourself. This way, you can see exactly how it looks in an inbox and make any necessary adjustments. Lastly, after you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and schedule or send your email campaign. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a video into your ActiveCampaign email by creating an engaging thumbnail that links to your video. Thanks for following along today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it.